Monaco looks like paradise. Supercars. Yachts. Perfect weather. But here's the truth no one tells you. Monaco is not for everyone. In fact, it's designed that way. Extreme safety. Billionaires walking past you like it's normal. But living here isn't about enjoying luxury. It's about surviving exclusivity. And exclusivity has a price. Monaco is only 2 square kilometers. There's almost no land left. Property prices can exceed $100,000 per square meter. A normal apartment? Easily $5 to $15 million. Renting? Even a modest place can cost thousands per month. This isn't accidental. High prices are the filter. If you can't afford to breathe here, you don't stay.
Alors moi j'ai été déçue.
A place where a $500,000 car is normal. Where your neighbor owns a $100 million yacht. Wealth comparison becomes daily life. Even millionaires can feel average. And in a city built on status, average is uncomfortable. Monaco doesn't make you rich. It reminds you who's richer. But money alone isn't enough. Monaco isn't loud. It's discreet. The wealth here is quiet. Relationships matter. Reputation matters. You don't just move in and become. Monaco has one of the highest police-to-resident ratios in the world. Security is intense. Privacy is protected. But that also means scrutiny. Residency requires proof of funds. Background checks. Stability. This isn't a playground. It's a financial fortress. So why isn't Monaco for everyone? Because it wasn't built for everyone. It was built for people who value stability over freedom, security over space, strategy over emotion. Monaco isn't about living large. It's about protecting large. And if you don't already belong to that world, Monaco won't invite you in. Would you live here if you could? Or do you think this level of exclusivity creates isolation? Comment below. And if you want to see the real streets, the real cars, and the real atmosphere of Monaco, subscribe. because the next video goes even deeper inside billionaire life.